Hi guys, welcome to TechFuel. Today we are gonna see a new mid-range smartphone from Sony, that is Xperia M2 Dual. Okay, let's get to unbox this. Okay, before unboxing this, let us have a look around of this box. Now, let us open this. Here, you can see the phone in white color, beautifully placed. And apart from the phone, you can also see you have charger adapter placed exactly right. Exactly right below the box from Sony, and you have a USB charger over here at the bottom, and you have a white earphones from Sony. You can also have to see this with warranty card, user manual, and other documents. Thank you.